Hey everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood D-Prince, the fresh D-Prince of YouTube. Sorry for the poor video quality here. This is the best I'm working with right now. When I get a better converter, it'll be better. Anywho, I got this neat little blog I set up here, Hotels with Availability. It has reviews of several different hotel search engines that you can use when you're looking for a hotel to stay in. Also, I've gotten several articles I thought were interesting that also offer some really good tips on getting a good hotel. So definitely make sure you check this out. You can see the link at the bottom here, hotels-with-availability.blogspot.com, or you can click it in the description. Okay, thanks. Have a good one.